How to delete account of administrator on Windows 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove or delete the administrative account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'll show you two ways. The first way is how to remove administrator account from your account settings directly. So click on Start and then select Settings. And once you select Settings, go to the option called Account. Once you go to Accounts, select the option called Family and Other User under the Other User section and click on the user accounts that you want to remove and then click on the Remove button over there. So just click on the Remove button and it will ask you for a confirmation. Click on Account and then Data and then the account is removed successfully. The other way is how you can remove administrator account via the control panel. So press Windows plus X and then select Control Panel. When you open up a control panel, go to the option that says User Accounts at the top of the screen. Once you go to User Options, here you'll find the option that says Manage Another Account. So just click on it. Once you select Manage Another Account, select the user account that you want to delete over here and then just hit the Delete the Account button at the bottom. And that's all it takes to delete your administrative account on Windows 10. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.